Would you like to invest in crypto but you don't know how to buy them? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome to Crypto Made Simple, the top-notch YouTube channel for crypto education. Today, we'll guide you through the essential steps to start your crypto journey, making it as easy as a walk in the park. Watching this video, we assume you have heard about cryptocurrency and you already know what it is. If not, we recommend you watch our other videos about cryptocurrency, blockchain, DeFi, smart contracts, and DEX for a solid foundation. Let's dive in. While there are many ways to acquire cryptocurrency, such as mining, airdrops, and more, we want to keep this video focused on the most straightforward method, buying cryptocurrency. However, if you're interested in learning about other methods like airdrops and mining, consider subscribing because we plan to cover those topics in future videos. Let's continue. The first step is to create a crypto wallet. You have two main options. You can opt for a decentralized exchange like Uniswap or go for a wallet MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Edge. In this case, simply download the application, create an account, and write down your secret recovery phrases and password to keep your account secure. Alternatively, you can choose the more user-friendly method of centralized exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. Download the app, create an account, verify it, and you're good to go. Regardless of your choice, the goal is to set up your account to store your cryptocurrency. Decentralized exchanges and wallets offer enhanced security, while centralized exchanges are known for their user-friendliness and ease of operation. If you'd like to learn more about decentralized and centralized exchanges, I recommend watching our other video dedicated to that topic for a better understanding. At this point, we assume you already have a crypto wallet, so let's move on to step 2. You will need a money transmitter, such as a bank, PayPal, credit card, or mobile money service, to actually buy crypto and load your wallet. If you are using a wallet like MetaMask or Uniswap, you'll see a buy option that allows you to pay with your credit card or bank account details. On the other hand, centralized platforms like Binance usually offer multiple methods for purchasing crypto, including bank transfers, credit cards, and mobile money services. It's important to note that you can also use a peer-to-peer P2P method. Instead of using your wallet to buy directly, you can transfer money to someone you trust, along with your wallet address, and have them send the equivalent amount in crypto to your wallet. This system is known as P2P and is mostly applicable in places that accept crypto as payment. In some areas, people buy cryptocurrency directly from another holder. It's important to use the money transmitter method that suits you best in order to buy crypto. Let's proceed to step 3. Whatever method you use to make the transaction, the exchange will handle the conversion from fiat to cryptocurrency. This means you will have the equivalent amount of cryptocurrency in your wallet or crypto account based on the amount you used in the transaction. Step 4. You have finally received your crypto, and you have the discretion to do whatever you want with it. The common ways to manage your crypto are to swap it for other cryptocurrencies, store it securely in your wallet, or sell it. To wrap up, we've covered the essential steps to start your journey into cryptocurrency ownership. From setting up your wallet to buying your first crypto and understanding the options available on both decentralized and centralized exchanges, you're now equipped with the knowledge to navigate the crypto world confidently. It's important to bear in mind that security, increasing your holdings, and keeping your crypto safe are some of the most challenging aspects of crypto ownership. Staying updated and educated is crucial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future videos on mining, airdrops, and other exciting topics. Thanks for watching, and we hope we've made things as simple as a walk in the park. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.